Hi, my name is Bronwyn. I'm the lead educator here at Elate. Today we are going to show you how to apply liquid liner. Our model, Justine, will be applying Resolute, which is a beautiful matte brown.
So I am going to start with my good eye. I'm actually blind in one of my eyes, this one right here. So you can see they're a little bit different and it makes it a little bit more trickier to do eyeliner, but if I can do it, anyone can do it.
Most of us have one eye we find easier to apply product to. We want to start with the side we find more difficult. Placing your brush at the outer corner, work your way to the inner corner with small lines. Switch to the other eye. This is a great time to try and make it as even as possible. You can always add a little wing to this technique as well. It's your liner, your style. You can use this technique for any of our liquid liners. Finish off the look with our Essential Mascara infused with white tea. Stay up to date with everything Elate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join our community on Instagram, Facebook, and sign up for our newsletter. We've shown you one way of applying liquid liner. In the comments below, let us know your tips and tricks, or if you have any questions. If you've enjoyed this video, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.